Hi again, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is called Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is a game of exploration where the students will be in two teams, but they need to advance their character to the other side. And so what you do when you come into the classroom, you draw a grid on the whiteboard with 3 tiers here. And I choose the alphabet, so A to L, but it could be as long or as short as you want. You also need to draw the same thing in your lesson plan book with the answer key there. So what does the answer key look like? Inside my book, it will have little dots here, sporadically, but 1 per letter. And here's a picture of the one that actually we're going to play today. What you need to do as a student, you'll never see these. What you do is you take a guess, A1. Nope, it's not right, so their turn would be finished. Then this person goes, maybe A2. Okay, good, you're right. So A2 is the correct, that's where the breadcrumb is. They need to find the mystery one in B. So if they guessed A2, B, I don't know, B3. Oh, that's right also, you can keep going. And the goal is to not only remember what the other students in your team have guessed correctly already, so kind of build on the information as you work together, but go all the way to the other side. So let's play an example quickly with Dustin. These mean nothing because it was just an example. So how do you inject English into this game? You would have 1 student on each team, again, standing up, and I play paper, scissors, stone. The winner gets to go first, and the loser has to do some English task, but they still get to play. So let's assume Dustin has won the paper, scissors, stone. The person he played against has already done the English whatever task. Dustin, oh, I should look at this. Dustin, where do you want to try?
So I just have to say 1, 2, 3 because I started A.
Yeah, you say A, whatever.
Okay, A3.
That's right. Okay, so keep going.
Okay, B2.
B2. No, that's not right. So it's the other guy's turn, which will also be played by Dustin. So
A3.
A3, that's right.
B1.
B1. No, that's not right. So your turn is finished. Then 2 more people would stand up. Paper, scissors, stone. Loser asks a question. Winner, go.
A3.
Yes.
B3.
Yes.
C2.
C2, yes.
D1.
D1, no, sorry. The other guy.
Okay, A3.
Yes.
B3.
Yes.
C2.
Yes.
D2.
No, sorry. So it would continue like this, where they have to build on the information that their teammates put together. And I allow the students to help each other if they're remembering, but I do not allow the students to write down the information. So you'll see little kids trying to, under their desk, oh, it's A3, B3, C2, D's 3. So be careful for that. But it's a fun game, and the kids enjoy it. And it's just a quick, maybe 5-10 minute thing that you do to either end the class, or I like to do it at the beginning of the class to review old material. And that's it.